Don't miss a single second of this video. NASA's Perseverance rover has captured breathtaking new views of Mars that could reveal secrets hidden for billions of years. Perseverance is exploring Jezero crater, where scientists believe an ancient lake once existed. The rover's latest footage reveals rocky landscapes, layered cliffs, and dusty plains that preserve Mars's geological history. Every image helps researchers understand how water once shaped the red planet. By studying rocks and collecting samples, Perseverance is searching for evidence that Mars may once have supported microbial life. Although no direct proof has been found, every discovery brings us one step closer to answering one of humanity's greatest questions. Was there ever life on Mars? What's your thoughts? Let me know in comment below. Like the video, share the video to your best friends, and stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.